Good afternoon, teacher. We are Group 6. Today we are going to talk about the application of the Deming model of quality in education. Today we will address a problem that affects educational management, the lack of accuracy and efficiency in the tracking student attendance. We will apply the first phase of the Deming model plan. Attendance records are often inaccurate with errors when recording manually, which affects the reliability of data. This not only slows down administrative work, but also complicates the identification of patterns of non attendance or tardiness that might require intervention. The main objective is to improve the quality of the attendance tracking. We also want to ensure that records are accurate and error free, significantly reduce the time spent of the process to make it more efficient. Implement technological tools that allows us to automate both registration and data analysis, ensuring fast and reliable results. Success criteria. We will measure the success of this plan by three key indicators. Accuracy of records must exceed 90%, minimizing errors. The time required to record attendance should be cut in half, streamlining the process. Attendance that must be available in real time, allowing for quick decisions such as contacting parents or acting on recurring absences. Uh, if we achieve the results, we will know that the proposal has had a positive impact on attendance tracking management. Steps to address the problem. To solve the problem, we will follow a structured plan. First, we will analyze the current tracking system to identify its weaknesses. Then, we will select technological tools that fit the needs of the process, such as applications, digital forms, or biometric systems. Next, we will train faculty and staff to use the new system effectively. Finally, we will implement the plan gradually, starting with a pilot group and monitor the results to make necessary adjustments.
Once explained the plan part, it's time to implement the new tracking system in a pilot group. I'm gonna explain how to apply and solve the problem in 3 steps. The step number 1 is select a group. In our case, we are gonna select 20 students and 2 teachers for this trial. Second step, we're gonna provide training on how to use the new system. In this case, it will be the mobile attendance application. And step number 3, we're gonna conduct the trial or this test over 1 month. As you can see in the table, now we're gonna apply the steps mentioned above. In this table we have 4 columns. In the number 1 we have the date. It means that we're gonna apply our trial in March 1st. In the second column we have the student ID. This is the identity that each students are gonna have. In the third column we have the attendance status. That means that who is attending and who's not, who is absent, and who student is late. And on the fourth column we have the details. For example, in the first student we can see that he is present in the class, so he checked that he is on time. In the second one is absent. In the remarks details that it hasn't a notification sent. This means that the student didn't mention why he is absent. And student number 3, it's late, so he has notified to the teacher by the app that he's gonna be late. And number 4 is a person who is a student who attended to the class, so he already took the attendance by the app. This is how it works, this mobile attendance application.
Good evening, I'm Adriana Vega, so I'm going to explain about the check step.
This process consists in help uncover any problems or shortcoming early on, allowing for adjustments and improvements to be made. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the key metrics to analyze. For example, in that case, we are going to compare the attendance rates. Look at the percentage of students attending classes before and after the new system was introduced. For example, attendance might have increased from 80% to 92%, showing improved engagement or accuracy. On the other hand, we have measured notification effectiveness. Track how many students responded to absence alerts sent through the system. This indicates how well the notification feature is working and encouraging accountability. And finally, we have the evaluate error reduction. We are going to compare the number of errors, such as incorrect or missing records, in the previous manual system with those in the automated system. A decrease in errors demonstrates the system's reliability and accuracy. So we can conclude with an overall hypothetical outcome. The new attendance tracking system increases the students' engagement and responsibility for attending classes, significantly improves the accuracy of attendance records, reducing errors by 80%, delivers real-time data to teachers and administrators, enabling faster responses to attendance-related concerns. ESA is the workload for teachers, but minimizing the time spent fixing errors and handling manual processes, leading to greater job satisfaction.
Hello everyone, my name is Jimena Ivanco and I will explain the act phase of the Deming model focusing on adjustments and recommendations based on the metrics obtained. According to the results of the previous analysis, we achieved a 12% increase in the attendance rate and 8% reduction in registrations errors. However, this data also shows areas where we can improve, such as further increasing the attendance rate and maintaining engagement with notification. To achieve this, we propose to simplify the system interface, making it more intuitive so that users can easily interact with it. We also recommend holding training sessions for teachers and administrators, ensuring that they fully understand the use of the system and it is important for effective attendance tracking. Based on the positive results obtained, we recommend implementing the improved system in all classes at the institution. Before doing so, we will conduct tests in different environments to ensure that it works equally well in any context. In addition, we suggest scheduling monthly reviews to monitor key indicators such as attendance rates and registration errors. This will allow just to adjust the system based on user feedback and the changing needs of the institution, ensuring its long-term effectiveness.